three uses of variables are in no particular order, but the first one is the variables that vary. My example for that was the thing I just talked about, triangle plus circle equals 7. Triangle plus circle equals 7. Now, that's the example I gave. If we kind of change it, the story a little bit, you got to be careful. You got to kind of think about what exactly is the use of variables. And I'm saying that, I'm thinking about your next test in here, that there may be a problem that uses variables, and the question would be, what is the use of variables in this problem? And just because it sounds like it might match one type we did, it might not be that particular type. So you got to kind of be careful with that. Okay, the second one we did was variables used in a formula. Variables used in a formula. And for the variables used in a formula, this was the geometry problem that we did last time, where we had the area of a rectangle, the area of a triangle, and we took that paper and cut it up and all that sort of stuff. The third use of variables is this: variables used to represent a specific value. Variables used to represent a specific value. So I never thought of it this way till a few years ago. Again, when I was taking that history of math class at Southern University, and it was this. The professor there said variables can be used as a placeholder for a certain number, for a particular number. So that's the same thing right here. Now for number 3, we have something we call this map activity. I brought in a bunch of maps here. I have a lot of maps of the state of Louisiana. I'm going to give them out to you. I want you to look at them in groups, and then we'll talk about the maps. I have a few of the state of Tennessee. Okay, but I'll go with the Louisiana maps first.